So you're in jail right now. Do you get any money while you're in jail from your job?
No, ma'am. What I do is
Just yes or no?
Oh, okay. No, ma'am.
All right, and you have VA benefits of $2,500 a month that you're receiving?
Yes, ma'am. And 13 something for schooling, but that ends in when this semester ends, which should be end of this month.
People, look at this. This is Kushane Carter's CMR. I'm talking about first appearance in court on allegations of child molestation. You hear that, people? He got bailed and the judge tell him, say, him not be seen nowhere round that picnic. You know here? The judge tell him, say, him not be seen nowhere round that picnic. And he asked the judge to let police bring him to the house to get his things. So where that I say, you know, people, we no know still you know, but that one sound one way. Because if a judge tell him say he must not be seen around that child, nowhere in a surrounding, that him will look upon the picnic. You hear me tell you? And he tell the judge say he want to go get him things. And matter of fact, the lawyer tell the judge that because he told the lawyer to ask the judge for that request so he could go with some police officers to get his things. If nothing allow me, I tell you no look upon this now.
That was on Bowie, correct? Madam Clerk has made note of that, and that will be granted. Kushane Carter?
Yes, ma'am.
Reviewed a probable cause charging affidavit that charges you with lascivious behavior with the child, and I do find probable cause. I will appoint the office. Well, actually, this indicates that you don't qualify for the office of public defender. Sir, raise your right hand to be sworn in. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
So this affidavit that I'm looking at says that you have take-home pay of about $55,000 a year, correct?
Say that again?
It says you have take-home pay after taxes of about $55,000 a year.
That's the calculation I made for this year. Prior year, we were doing, because I'm self-employed, I was doing well, but based on finances, or it seemed this year.
All right, so you're in jail right now. Do you get any money while you're in jail from your job?
No, ma'am. What I do is
Just yes or no?
Oh, okay. No, ma'am.
All right, and you have VA benefits of $2,500 a month that you're receiving?
Yes, ma'am. And 13 something for schooling, but that ends in when this semester ends, which should be end of this month.
All right, that's the $1,300 you're referring to?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, based on his verbal testimony, I will find that he's got debts of $10,000 and he's incarcerated. He's not earning the income currently. So I will find that he does qualify for the services of a court-appointed attorney, and I'll appoint the office of the public defender to represent him. Thank you. With respect to the charge, sir, of brutal lascivious behavior or molestation, state wish to be heard? Is this, I don't think it's a dangerous crime.
That is correct. We would be motioning the court to help the defendant no bond at this time under Florida Statute 907-041 5D. We would be motioning for a pretrial petition.
I'm going to deny your request. I'm going to set bond, given what I'm reading in the probable cause charging affidavit. And I'm going to set bond, sir, in the sum of $7,500 with special condition that you have no contact whatsoever with a listed victim. That means no contact whatsoever. Directly or indirectly, you will not return to the scene of the offense. You'll maintain separate residences. In other words, you won't be living with the child. Do you understand that?
Roger that.
All right. Thank you.
Your Honor, he's just requesting a one-time return with law enforcement to get his things.
I'll grant that, a one-time return.
Thank you, Your Honor.
People, we no get from all of this now, people. Because no see and no hear, you know. Me talk some and no hear all of it for myself. Seen? But the part where me a talk about is the part where the judge say him not be seen around that picnic in the house there, or the office or whatever it may be. And him request to go get him things them from the house. Well, I don't know what to say, people. But uno be the judge. Uno be the judge of this. Something not right. Something not right. As when Ninja Man that say, something not right. Make we hear what some people have to say.
Hey guys, so there has been a lot of updates to CMR's case. Number one, it has hit mainstream media. If you Google his name, you'll see that the Tribune has posted about it and Time Now News. The Tribune is alleged that the victim is his stepdaughter. And guys, there's a video going around. It's very sad. It almost got me teary-eyed of him, on his first appearance at court. And a lot of people are going to say that it's his stepdaughter. I'm still not 100% sure. But at the end of the video, you will hear that the judge said that he's not allowed to stay at his home anymore. But they did ask his lawyer asked if he could go for one time with law enforcement officers to collect his things. Now, I'm not sure if he's not allowed there because the victim lives there, or he's not allowed there because the matter of his crime, he's not allowed to be around children. I'm still not sure who the victim is, guys. It's a minor and they are not going to say it. So unless somebody comes out and say it, the media is not going to put out any information about a minor. They can say, so we just have to wait, guys. And I don't want to spread any misinformation, but watch the video and you could decipher what you want from that video. Now, it's funny because I was going to make a video, saying there's no way it could be the stepdaughter because Chrissy, seems to be living her life. She went out and she voted and she's posting on social media that she's voted. I'm not saying that she should stop her life, but I don't know how I would feel if my child was in this situation. And, I don't know, but she posted she's okay. She went out and she voted. Hopefully she voted for Kamala. But yeah, guys, I will come live tonight and we'll discuss and we'll watch the video together. So watch the video and come and gather your thoughts and we'll talk about it. And for those of y'all who want to be mad, y'all could go ahead and be mad. We just talking. We did not commit the crime. Go be mad at the perpetrator, not us.
I'm gonna say this once. If you're a grown man and you are unable to date women your own age, there's something inherently wrong with you. I don't care what society say. If you're a 45-year-old man, you refuse to date women in your age range because they're old, you prefer women that are significantly younger than you, barely legal, there is something inherently wrong with you. It is not normal for you not to be attracted to persons that are your age. It is not normal. And I'm not saying that you and your partner have to be the same age, but when you are only attracted to teenagers and early adult, or if a woman in her 30s is considered very old for you, as a man that's in his late 30s, 40s, 50s, or 60s, there is something inherently wrong with you.
Guys, this is a quick update on CMR's arrest. He has been released on bond. He is no longer in the Orange County facility. Now, there's a lot of stories circulating on social media about surrounding the case, and we have to be careful of how much information we are putting out there without having evidence. I see it all the time. Law enforcement have not come forward to disclose any details surrounding the case, and neither has Chrissy. Any information that you see out there, they're just people speculating. I've heard a few stories, and I don't know how these stories come about, but we would not be privy to this information unless we were close to Chrissy, or unless somebody from the department leaked the information, or unless law enforcement come out and release an official statement, and I haven't seen anything like that.